Hi, Stone here with Wood and Stone. As you can see, we're having a turning party in my shop today, but I pushed everything off the bench and I wanted to show you guys something that I talk about on a pretty consistent basis, a lot in classes, but I don't have everything in the classes, is these Wood River turning kits. So they're a super easy way to make quick gifts that are handmade, and you can do a lot of cool things with them. But the basic premise is you take a blank, so turning blank looks like that. You put a hole in the end of it that matches the turning kit, and then you turn your handle to whatever shape you want, and then your piece will insert in it. So what I have here is a pizza serving spatula, a pizza cutter, an ice cream scoop, and then there's a garden kit. They each go a little bit different. So these two have a metal insert that actually goes in before you start turning. So you drill out for that, and then this will screw into that metal insert. The ice cream scoop actually threads into the wood, so that's a little bit smaller hole when you're completed turning. And then these epoxy in, so you drill out a bit of coal, epoxy those in. They do have a grip on it, but I would put the epoxy in there just to for cheap insurance, basically. So these are like a very small selection of the kits that Woodcraft has for Wood River, but I happen to have them in the shop, so I push everything aside, got a camera on it, so you guys can see what that's all about. Have a good day.